Oh, yes, guys. Yes, this is Simon Peter Snipes, a proud member of the Roy Club community. Hope you guys are doing fine. Hope you guys are doing awesome. And, life is always good, when you're in good health and when, you have strength like to push on from one day to the other. And, not always every day that we will find like what we're looking for, but we stay strong. We hold on to the hope that that tomorrow is going to be a better place. It's going to be better than today. Yeah, and that's what keeps us going, guys. And well, guys, Roy Club is a joint power mining platform that unites like-minded people from all over the world, from Los Angeles, New York, London, Paris, Mexico, Russia, Africa in general, just uniting people from all over the world to come together and invest, to come together and change the world together through investment. So, guys, today we shall be looking at a new feature or a new functionality that has been brought up within the Roy Club system or the Roy Club platform for investment, and we'll be going to it right now. So we'll just open a new tab and type Roy Club, and as the page loads. So, guys, this new feature, it's quite I think it's quite interesting in one way or the other, and we are going to be looking at the dynamics of it. So it's called the gift. All right, and let me just zoom a bit. Let me get rid of this. Okay, so the gift. So let's start with the first question. What opportunities does the gift offer? Okay, so if you give a gift, you get a reliable referral. There is no risk that the recipient will immediately withdraw funds and disappear. If you are given a gift, you have a great bonus to your investment. This is the amount of the gift that will always be on the balance and will increase your income from paramining. Okay, so guys, this new feature of gift, it seems to be really like awesome, I believe. Now, from my understanding from this, it's like I gift, I gift you. Okay, I send you a gift. So this gift comes to your Roy Club wallet. Let's say 100 prisms, and it is taken like a part of your balance, but you can't actually withdraw it. Yeah, that is my understanding of this, and that means that you are able to earn from it, but you are not able to withdraw the gift that you have been sent. It's something there to aid your growth, something of that sort, Yeah. So why is part of my funds frozen when I give a gift? Okay, yes. So the funds that you want to transfer as a gift are not immediately transferred to the recipient. They must first meet certain conditions to receive the gift. 3 days after sending the gift, the conditions are checked, and then the funds will be debited from your account. All right. So you send a gift, that part of the gift is frozen from your account, so it's like unusable. So let's say I had like 200 prisms and I send a gift to 50, so 50 prisms will be frozen from my account. It will not be debited immediately, but until the recipient confirms and meets some conditions, then it will be debited from my account. All right. Okay, that's good. So is it possible to cancel sending a gift? No. By sending a gift, you confirm your consent to transfer of funds, and this can by sending a gift you confirm your consent to transfer of funds, and this cannot be cancelled. So once you click it is done. It can't be cancelled. So you have to be really careful. You have to be sure that you actually want to be sending this gift. All right. So, can I send multiple gifts to the same user? Yes, in this case, the gift amounts add up. So you can send multiple gifts. So how do I get a gift? To do this, make a deposit of 100 prisms within 3 days of receiving the gift. Okay. To do this, make a deposit of at least 100 prisms within 3 days of receiving the gift. In addition, after 3 days, your balance must have at least 90 prisms. If these conditions are met, a transaction will be created to transfer the gift. What happens if the conditions for receiving the gift are not met? So, if the conditions are not met, the gift is written off as a lost bonus. What? So meaning the sending party loses it, and even you, the receiving party, loses it as a lost bonus. This means that the gift refers to a bonus that you could get if you were more active. Okay. Yeah, so it's tricky, guys, but you know, it's still a great feature out there. Yeah. Can a gift be credited to a charity account? Yes. In this case, the amount of this account that is not available for withdrawal is added to the gift amount. Yeah, so guys, that is some brief information about a gift, and I hope to see you guys in the next. Otherwise, Roy Club is here for you guys. Come and join the Roy Bounty program. Let's earn some prisms from doing tasks, online tasks, offline tasks too, that you may be able to have some passive income for yourself. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.